Hi, good morning dear students. I hope everyone doing and enjoying yourself very much. And in this video, I am going to continue the story. I will do it. I will do it where I stopped in the previous video. Okay. He became a pioneer of Indian software industry and started the information technology wave. So finally, in the previous video we discussed about him. After he got a realization, he worked on one thing greatly and he made a team like him, how the people are being good. So he searched and found such a people and he made a one team. So with that, he started his business. So he became a pioneer of Indian software industry. So he's become a great pioneer means great person for the software industry and started the information technology wave. Information technology wave. So today he has become an icon of simplicity, uncompromising quality, and fairness apart from being a philanthropist. So today this fellow, this hero of the character, hero of the story become a simplicity, an icon means symbol of simplicity and uncompromising nature and fairness apart from being a philanthropist. Philanthropist means one who devotes his service or wealth for the love of mankind. So basically the people who use their money and their wealth for the other people, such people we call them philanthropist. So he become a philanthropist also. So he really believes in the motto. So he has one motto and he believes this motto very much, that is powered by intellect and driven by values. Basically we get a strength by the intellect, but we should driven by the values. So values are very important in everyone's life. So are we maintaining values and ethics or not? Just make a question yourself, because you can only answer well for this question, no other people. Okay, he is none other than. So this whole story we completed. Here we have a one hero of the character, hero of the story. Who is that? Still we don't know, but now we are going to know his name. Now we are going to know his name. I am going to reveal it. That is none other than Nagavara Ramarao Narayana Murthy. Nagavara Ramarao Narayana Murthy, the founder of Infosys, a leading IT company in the world. So the founder of Infosys company, Infosys IT company, that is NR Narayana Murthy, Nagavara Ramarao Narayana Murthy. This is the I will do it, the whole story about him. So what we studied about a one person, that is none other than NR Narayana Murthy. See, but he failed on that day because of family, but he did not lose his confidence. Definitely believed a lot about himself. Because of that, today he became a wonderful person in his life. Okay, it is written by Sudha Murthy. So this whole story written by Sudha Murthy. It is a biography, but Sudha Murthy is not another person. Sudha Murthy is Narayana Murthy's wife. So his wife written his biography. Look dear students, in this story we learned a number of many good things. Okay, so after this lesson we have a little information about Sudha Murthy. Go with the textbook page number 26 and learn about her. Okay, in every lesson, in every story, you should compulsory learn about author. That is your duty. Don't forget to do this. And this is because right from the start, so Narayana Murthy sir is a short and bright boy, short and smart boy, and he will give suggestions and solutions for the seniors. So gradually he improved his talent in education, and finally after completion of 10th class he would like to join in IIT. So because of that idea he applied IIT and he went to Bangalore to write IIT entrance exam. So that's absolutely what he thought. Exactly he did like that, and he got a very good rank, and he passed with the high rank in the IIT entrance test after he met and approached his father and explained his view to his father. His father rejected him to join IIT because of family economical status. So after that also he went to railway station in 1962 in Mysore, and he gave a send off to his all friends who are going Madras to study their IIT education. So after he returned back his home and he thought number of thinkings, and he took a one decision, and he want to work hard, and finally he become a founder of the one and only leading Infosys IT company in the world that he established, and he is the founder of that, and he achieved a number of many more great things, and he is the icon of simplicity, uncompromising quality and fairness, and being a part aside being a philanthropist. So he always usually helps poor people. So how he is great. So we should be also one day like that. So at least some of the qualities we have to implement. So every story, already I said you, English is a language, it's not a subject. So what we have to learn from the English, some values, ethics. These are very important basically. So in the present, in our real life, whenever we are going to approach with someone or some stranger, so we should compulsory know how we start to communicate with them. These all are very important, because you can learn all these kind of qualities, all good or bad qualities you can learn from the languages, Telugu, English, Hindi. These three languages will teach you how to you be in the society in your real life. Okay, already I said you, it's not a subject, it's a language. It's a language. So you have to learn all this. So how we are communicating? Are we giving respect to the others or not? Are we respecting elders' words or not? So everything. So if you are not being like that, you are a rude charactered person. Definitely that will spoil your beautiful life. So if you are maintaining all this, so as a teacher, what's my duty? I will teach you. That's my duty. As a student, what you have to do? After completion of every video, every story, you should read the same story 1 or 2, 3, 4 times. So if you read every story 4 times, you will get good idea about that. Because in our question paper, in the first paper up to 15 questions only, depending upon the passages.